Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Rizalyn Imgalit. I'm 44 years old. I have 3 kids, 19, ages 19, 14, and 9. I am married. As of now, I'm here in Bahrain. I almost 7 years here in Bahrain. And I'm serving 12 family members. And I am hardworking, respectful, polite, humble, and I have long patience to the children and elderly. For me, I prefer to work alone. Sometimes because I prefer to do some tasks on my own, but I know that working alone and working with the team are the two are very important skills that an employee should have. Sometimes I prefer to do some tasks on my own, but I understand that there are tasks that need to be done in individual or in a group. I prefer job taking care of children, taking care of elderly, taking care of pets, marketing, and all do household chores. Ma'am, sir, if you heard me, I promise to do all your tasks that giving to me, and I will make your family as my own. Thank you and God bless, and you can see my profile on Helper Library apps. Thank you.